This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Timmins, Ontario's getting a major snowstorm on Friday, November the 22nd, 2013. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow in Timmins, Ontario. It's going to be a lot of snow in Timmins, Ontario as well. It's going to be a lot of snow on the streets in Timmins as well. Because of the storm is strengthening, it's going to intensify. It's going to reach Timmins, Ontario on Friday, November the 22nd, 2013. It's going to be a blowing, drifting snow. It's going to be a lot of snow in Timmins, Ontario. Snow will be falling down as well. People in Timmins, Ontario, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready because a snowstorm is heading for Timmins, Ontario, and will also affect North Bay, Ontario, Sudbury, Ontario, Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Kapuskasing, Ontario, and Hearst, Ontario. And Kapuskasing might go up to 40 plus centimeters of snow with the blowing snow. If you're driving on the Highway 17 in Ontario, be very careful driving because the roads will be very slippery, especially driving on the Highway 101 near Timmins, Ontario, and the Highway 11 up around Kapuskasing and Hearst, Ontario. Along the Highway 11 in Ontario, be very careful driving your car because the roads will be very slippery. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your salt trucks ready as well. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. If you do your grocery shopping, when you go and do your grocery shopping, don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now because the roads could be very bad in Timmins, Ontario and the surrounding areas on Friday, November 22nd, 2013. It's going to be a lot of snow in Timmins, Ontario on Friday. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G and 4G internet ready. And drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea to keep you warm. And turn on your furnaces to keep the house warm during the snowstorm in Timmins, Ontario. This also includes North Bay, Ontario, Sudbury, Ontario, Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Kapuskasing, Ontario, Hearst, Ontario as well. And along the Highway 11 and Highway 17, because the snowstorm is heading for Timmins, Ontario, it will also affect North Bay, Ontario as well, and Kapuskasing, Sudbury, Sault Ste. Marie. When you drive your car on the Highway 11 and Highway 17 and Highway 101, be very careful and don't get in a car accident because roads can be very slippery. If you don't like driving in snow, get a taxi. Because it's going to be a lot of snow on the ground in Timmins, Ontario and the surrounding areas. And when you go for a walk, don't walk too far. If the wind picks up, it will turn into a blizzard conditions and blowing snow and drifting snow. It could be some whiteout conditions. Then the visibility is going to be very poor in Timmins, Ontario and North Bay and Sudbury as well. And even Kapuskasing, Ontario as well. Best of luck to you. People in Timmins, Ontario, be prepared for it. Major snowstorm. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in a blizzard. Be safe.